Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes of a music video. So if anyone remembers, a few months back, me and my guy LLB linked up with an Italian artist, Aby Wayn, and we made a sick drill track. And I asked everyone if they wanted us to do a music video. So we had tons of replies in the comments, a lot of email responses. Everyone was telling us to do it. So yeah, fast forward a few months and that's exactly what we're doing today. So I'm gonna head over, link up with everyone, get involved in the music video, and then if there's time, we're gonna book a studio session and work on some more tracks. So yeah, there's a lot to do today, so let's just get straight into it. Did it take you to get here?
About 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So we took a little stop off at the services, but yeah, too bad. I didn't realise it was so far from you as well, like half an hour.
Yeah, you know, when he said Oldham, I was thinking it's like 10 minutes away and I couldn't put it in that. Like half an hour.
Yeah.
I've just come to a car park. What's this car park again? What's
Hobson Street.
Hobson Street. I don't know if you know where that is. So I've been spending a lot of time doing some like research and like doing a bit of a plan for that, and obviously the course as well. That's been the main thing.
Oh yeah, have you dropped it yet?
No, I finished filming it. We've done like 60 videos. Started editing some, and then I've got an editor doing some as well.
So yeah, chill by the door. Yeah, so just stop by the door. She needs to walk past now.
Do you want to get out of the way?
Oh yeah,
just behind her. We just started the video was good.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah? Alright, sweet. Cool, let's do this again, yeah? You know, walk past now. Go on, jump out, Adam, jump out. Adam, come. There we go, Ian. That's quite nice. She needs to come in a little bit faster. That was quite good. Nice. Walk past him. Yo! Now! Yeah, let's do that one more time then, yeah? Okay. I'll keep this one, one more time.
Oh, correte di più.
Obviously Chucky, it's not going to be until next Thursday.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go!
I feel sorry for this guy.
Really bad. He's genuinely getting beat up. My favorite's getting paid some big money for this. Sacrificing his whole body.
Guys, kicking him now. In 3, 2, 1, go on. Come on.
One more time.
And then 3, 2, 1, hammer now.
Oh my god. Happy at you. Bro, show me that.
That first one was so close. That first hit.
Can you take a
Real blood, you know. Real blood shit.
Yeah.
Real blood, we need the real blood, you know.
These lot had no blood in it. They were saying to use cocoa powder and flipping Pinto Coolio in it.
Aby Wayn, what you saying, bro?
Hold on.
I always watch your videos in it. Yeah. You know that. I took a picture with you last time.
Yeah, that's why I was asking if you were in a fire.
We all put together when I used to do music videos like years ago. Doing for myself, essentially just before you could even like buy like nice cameras, it was just like a shitty little HD camera.
Yeah. Did you ever have the what are they called? Oh, I don't even know the name of them anymore. They kind of look like phones, but they were little digital cameras.
Yeah, that's
everyone
what I
had
had.
them.
Kind of like a camcorder where you just put the screen out.
Yeah.
I was just trying to film on one of those.
But yeah, back in the day, like there's no good cameras unless you like, you know,
you were balling out.
How did you guys have it in mind?
Blow dinner.
So come this way.
I say I want to try to find a business that won't be illegal. So I'm here with my guys in the makeup industry. Doing some
Alright, so there's a quick change of plan. We're not going to be able to get any studio time with Aby just because he's going to be filming that video quite late. So me and LLB, we're going to get a session, but the studio is fully booked today. So instead, we're going to head to mine. We'll make a few beats, maybe some drill, some trap. And yeah, we'll just have a casual cook-up session. And if you're wondering what's been going out throughout the whole video, basically, Aby wanted to create a story in his music video. So rather than the standard hood shots and just different angles of him spitting, he wanted to create a story where it's like one person gets jumped, in the end he gets revenge, and there's a few other bits in between. So yeah, obviously it's all for entertainment purposes only. They were all of his boys acting in the video, and yeah, I think this one's gonna come out sick. I've seen a couple of the other still shots that he put out. All the scenes were looking crazy, so yeah, I'm excited for this one to drop. But let's get to the Cactus lab. So you could have like 4 bars like that.
Oh.
And then after, so like the second 4 bars, that drops down.
Yeah. That's a good idea, actually. What are you thinking? There we go.
Something like that, you know?
Yeah, that sounds sick. What would it sound like if it was E major? I feel like you can do a lot with this, like layers wise, just to kind of mask it a bit.
Yeah.
You seen, I didn't realise, but on the update they put a new chorus as well. They put speed up as well.
Oh, what are we on? 1, 2, 3?
Yeah, I played it quite slow.
So that could work. That sounds alright as well.
Yeah.
Might just get something like that where it's not like words, it's more like hmms, if you know.
Yeah.
It's like quite slow. It might just be alright like that.
I think so, yeah.
Unless we chop it up. We could do something for the end. Try some reverse ones.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, that's cool. How'd you do that?
So when you're on a normal sample, click there, automate, and then volume.
Oh, okay.
Subscribe to my channel for more,
More
tutorials.
Videos every Tuesday and
I'll loop it a few times and I'll just try and get something that sounds right.
Thursday. Don't knock, it's fine. the last beat that I did.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, because I flipped that guitar loop.
I still need to watch that video.
Yeah, it turned out pretty good to be fair. For like, I'm normally not very good with drill drums, but
yeah,
I was quite kind of happy. It's the hi-hats that I struggle with, so I literally just pulled one in from.
They do help.
These all sound sick to be fair. Oh, these new ones?
Yeah, these are the new ones. There's a couple good ones.
Yeah.
So, Posted's good.
Yeah.
There's always that ending, isn't it? Sounded about right, kind of off time.
Yeah. Yeah, needs to be in there, to be honest. Just can't do it for the sake of it.
Did you mind?
Yeah, it's a bit harsh.